Hello, Sadi.
This is a farm. We are going to learn about the farm today. Open? Yes.
Open.
These are the stalls. We keep the animals in the stalls. Yes, these are all the stalls. Press the button to open the stalls. Yay!
Sad, let's match the animals with the pictures.
Okay.
You can put the sheep over there in this stall.
Why?
Just put the sheep over there in this stall.
The sleeping stone.
Yeah.
This is silo.
Yeah, and enjoy chicken food.
Yes, we keep the chicken food here inside. We keep it stored here.
Twist, 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 twist. Yeah.
Some good.
Sunset time.
Should I put more?
Let's rotate it. That's enough. It's full. Yes, rotate it. Pop, pop.
Let's put these.
Yes, put these back. Hadi, put the chicken over there. Press the button to hatch the eggs. Yay!
And mommy did this. And you can put mommy chick up. Right?
Yeah, hatch. Hatch. Oh.
And this is
Sad, look. This is fence.
fence.
Let's join it together.
Let's join it.
Look. Oh, this one here. Here. This one and that. Wait. Like this width. Now.
This is a soft blanket to tuck in the animals when they feel cold.
These all are feeling cold.
So are you feeling cold?
This one and this one.
So this is a farmer.
Yes.
He works so hard to take care of the animals.
Yeah.
Would you like to help him today?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. This is the farmer. And this is his dog.
Where is all the farmer?
Let's make a duck pond. The ducks live in the pond. Here you go. One duck is in the water. Another duck. And let's decorate it with the pebbles. Yeah. Put them there. Yeah. Yes, another one. And outside. Yes, here. Not inside the water. Here. Yes, let's decorate it. Here. Here comes the other duck. Inside. Yes. Perfect.
This is a baby sheep.
And it's lamb.
What do we call it?
Lamb.
Lamb. Just put it over there. Here. And what is this?
Goat.
Put over there.
It's right here.
And the cow.
Cow.
Let's ring the bell. Ding ding. Ding ding.
Ding ding. Ding ding. It's the food time. So all the animals can come out and eat their food. Ding ding. Ding ding.
Come on, all of you. Come and have your food. It's food time.
Here is some hay for the horse. Feed him. And some grains for the cows.
We don't have any food.
They can share.
This is their piece food.
Yeah. Yes, get the chicken.
It's eating it.
The dog needs to take care of all the animals. The farm dog take care of all the animals. Okay? So he'll just stay here at the door and take care of all the animals. Let's feed some grains to the cows.
What is for this?
And goat can also eat the grains.
What kind of food?
Sheep can also eat the grains. Mama is putting food for
Oh, this man is feeding.
He's a farmer. Feed it.
Can I eat one piece of horse food? I took one piece. Horse is sleeping. Mama, horse is sleeping on it. And it's itching. Oh no, the man is in it.
Feed the baby. Feed the lamb.
Wait. This one is the Mama. The goat spilled this one on itself. You know that. Gonna spill. The water spilled it. Oh, the goat spilled it. Mama, goat spilled. Don't spill, goat. It's your food, it's your food, it's your food. She again did it. Two.
Quack, 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 quack.
Ba, ba, ba.
And a baba here and a baba there. Here, ba, there, ba, everywhere, baba. Moo moo here and moo moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Mama here and mama there. Here ma, there ma, everywhere mama. And a nay nay here and a nay nay there. Here nay, there nay, everywhere nay nay. Aww, he's loving his horsey. I'm coming to catch you. Horsey, come on. Come on, horsey. Come back. Come back, horsey. Horsey, come back. I got you. Horsey, come on. Hey, what are you doing over there? Aunt, you are such a naughty horse. Just come here. Come here. Oh. Let's go back to your stall. So I'll ring the bell. Ring the bell. It's time to go back to the stalls. Feeding time is over.
Everybody get back to your stall. Animals look sleepy now.
The farmers are very tired now. Yeah? They are going to sleep and they're going to make tea for them. Yes? Yes. They took care of animals all day, so now they are very tired and they are having rest. Okay, farmers, have some rest. And you, all the animals are back to their stalls and they are ready to rest. Good night, animals. Sweet dreams.
See you tomorrow.
Good night, Mommy Duck.
Good night, Mommy Duck and Baby Duck and Daddy Duck.
Aww.
They also do the scarecrow.
No.
Why? Good night, scarecrow.
Good night, Scarecrow. What are you doing here, Scarecrow?
What are you doing here, scarecrow? Daddy put you in your food. That's what you get.
Not over there. Over here. He needs to take care of the food.
All of the food.
Yes, he needs to take care of the food so that no body can eat it.